I'm gonna show you guys why my speakers weren't working. The speakers I'm talking about are these Edifier speakers here, which are like, they look like that and like that, right? And watch what I'm gonna show you. So basically, has a blue light here, right? And I'm speaking of Edifier speakers. So I've had everything set up how I should have it set up to the audio card, but watch. If I go here and press play, you'll see something plays, but nothing happens, right? So I thought my crap was broken. I reconnected everything, like in the back over here. Like I went as far as, I don't know why, I guess I was hallucinating, but putting these two into that over there, you can't really see it, but that's basically to go out to the PC, and the other ones are auxiliary, which I have them there. That's how it should be, like how I have them, but I don't know. I told you I was tripping. So this was blue. Nothing worked. I tried all of these to hook it up to like my phone, you know what I mean? Like plug these two into the back over there and that directly in my phone. Nothing worked. So the problem is, like I told you, if I go here and I press it, boom, plays, nothing happens because it's freaking blue. But if I press this button, it goes to green, bro. And I know exactly why that happens, because when I was making beats, I'm trying to turn up the volume crap. So watch this. You get sound, you know what I mean? Like, it's so stupid. And I was actually reading like the manual. They say you're supposed to hold this like volume button for like, I don't know, 15 seconds or something. It's supposed to take it off. That didn't work for me. Some people said like, yo, press all three buttons. That didn't work for me. So basically, if your speakers, like these specific Edifier speakers, which are cool as shit, watch, I'll show you before. But if they're not working, dude, on your thing, and you have it all set up like properly, like I have this Ediral UA25, which is pretty much non-existent, but I mean, I got the drivers working, everything's supposed to work out, it's supposed to work, but if your thing is not working, it might be the speakers, man. So this puts it in like Bluetooth mode, and if you want to take it off, you just simply click it. That's pretty much it. Now, if you have other speakers that are not working, I don't know. I'll save that for another video. But this is for Edifier, so I hope that helps you out. And as you can see, it is on green. And let's see if I go on YouTube or something. I don't think it'll work because, what's it called? Fruity Loops is a hog, so it probably won't work. But, oh, it does. So there you go. Check out that freestyle too. I mean, instrumental, but hope that helps. All right. Peace.